Before long, Diesel 10 was busy clearing wreckage into the waiting freight cars. And Thomas shunted them away. "I never thought I'd see the day," said Bert. "Thomas and Diesel 10 working together? Well, grind my gears," said Harry. Diesel 10 was working very hard. "If we all help, the airplane might still be able to come," said Percy. So all of the engines joined in. They had to work quickly. The Diesels forgot how stinky the Steamies were, and the Steamies forgot how dirty the Diesels were. As soon as the tracks were cleared, Thomas raced off to get George the steamroller. George was waiting on a low loader. Thomas raced back as fast as he could. George smoothed the runway. Suddenly, there was a familiar sound. It was Harold the helicopter, and it brought Sir Topham Hatt. "The airport looks wonderful, guys," said Harold. "The airplane will soon be here," said Sir Topham Hatt. All the engines were very excited. "Working with Diesels was fun after all," said Thomas. "And working with Steamies wasn't bad either," said Diesel. They all knew that Steamies and Diesels are different, but they both like to pull freight cars and coaches, and they both love to be really useful. The first airplane was approaching. At last, the airplane landed. All the engines agreed it was a wonderful sight. They were so happy they blew their whistles and blasted their air horns. At last, the Diesels and Steamies could do their favorite job.